Welcome back all of you to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 7th and the subject is maths, and we are continuing the same chapter, that is chapter number 2, and the name of the chapter is fractions and decimals. As you all know that we have already started exercise 2.1. In that exercise we have already discussed up to question number 5. So today we will discuss question number 6. In that question, I told you many times earlier also in the previous videos that while watching the videos you should have your textbook with you, so that you can tally the question and what is given in the question you should also read at the same time watching the video. So the question is, Salil wants to put a picture into a frame. The picture is 7 and 3 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 and 3 by 10 centimeter wide. How much should the picture be trimmed? So the width of the picture, the width of the picture and the width of the frame. Width of the picture is 7 and 3 by 5 centimeter. 7 and 3 by 5 centimeter, and the width of the frame is 7 and 3 by 10. 7 and 3 by 10 centimeter means the picture is somehow more wider than the frame. Frame is somehow smaller in width as compared to the picture. So how much the picture to be trimmed means what is the difference? Difference means the width of the picture minus width of the frame. Picture minus width of the frame. So width of the picture is 7 and 3 by 5 and the width of the frame is 7 and 3 by 10. So what we will do, we will convert these mixed fraction into improper. Why these are mixed fraction? Because they are having the whole numbers as well. 7 and 3 by 5, 7 and 3 by 10. So we will convert that into the improper fraction. So 7 5 is 35, 35 plus 3, 38 upon 5 minus 7 10 is 70, 70 plus 3, 73 upon 10. So we will take the LCM of 5 and 10, that is 10, and we will write the same number 38, and here we will put the minus sign and we will write the same number. Afterwards we are supposed to multiply these both numbers by which number? We have to divide LCM by the denominator. 5 से divide किया 10 को means it is 2. 10 divided by 10, that is 1. So we will write here 38 2 ja 76 minus 73 upon 10, that is 76 minus 73, that is 3 upon 10 centimeter. So as you know that this question is word problem, we will supply the answer into language only. So the answer will be, you are supposed to write after the solution, means here. So the picture is to be trimmed by 3 by 10 centimeter. So this is the answer of this question. Means in that question we are supposed to subtract, and now we will discuss the next question. Next question is question number 7. Question number 7, first of all you should read. At the same time I will erase this question. You can use your textbook, as I told you that you are supposed to keep your textbook with you while watching the videos. So the question number 7, I hope that you have already read the question. I will again read for you. Ritu ate 3/5 part of an apple and remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who had the larger share? By how much? First of all, the share of Ritu. Of Ritu is 3/5. 3/5. So the share of Somu, how many apples were there? 1. Means 1 में से कितना part, how much was the share of Ritu? That was 3/5. If nothing is there, we can write 1/1. From here the LCM is 5. 1 5 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5, 5 minus 3, that is 2/5. So the Somu's share is 2/5. Now we have to compare 3/5 and 2/5. Both are like fractions. Like fractions means having the same denominators. So if we are comparing the like fractions, then we are supposed to compare the numerator only. So numerator is 3 here, here it is 2. So 3/5 is more than 2/5. Means whose share is that 3/5? That is Ritu's. So we can say afterwards we are supposed to tell how much more it was. So the difference is 3/5 minus 2/5. If the fractions are like, as I told you previously, then we are supposed to subtract the numerators only. Means 3 minus 2/5, that is 1/5. So as the question is in the form of word problem, so we are supposed to supply the answer in the language only. Who had the larger share? By how much? So we can say Ritu had the larger share by 1/5. मीन्स ऋतु का शेयर ज़्यादा था, कितना? 1/5 पार्ट. सो दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. Now question number 8, I will read first of all for you. Michael finished coloring a picture in 7/12 hours. Weber finished coloring the same picture in 3/4 hours. Who worked longer? By what fraction was it longer? So again the same question is there. We have to compare, and how much is the difference we are supposed to find. So that is question number 8. Michael and Weber are there. Time taken by Michael and time taken by Weber. Time taken by Michael, it was 7/12 hours. 7/12 hours, and time taken by Weber was 3/4 hours. So we are supposed to compare 7/12 and 3/4. These are unlike fractions. So there are two methods. First of all, we can make the denominator same. To make the denominator same, we are supposed to multiply here by 3, because 4 3s are 12. If we are multiplying the denominator by 3, we are supposed to multiply the numerator by the same number. It becomes 3 into 3, and it becomes 4 into 3. So we can write here in the bracket the equivalent form of 3/4, that is 9/12. Now both becomes like fraction. the denominator is same, which is larger, 9 is larger than 7. So we can say 3 upon 4 is larger than 7 upon 12, means Vaibhav took longer time, Vaibhav took more time. How much? So 3 upon 4 is 9 upon 12 minus 7 upon 12. Difference is like this. So these are like fractions. Already we have written the equivalent one. So what we will do, we will subtract the numerators only. So 9 minus 7, that is 2 upon 12. 2 upon 12 is not in the lowest form, so we will reduce that into the lowest form. 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12, means 1 upon 6. So at the end we will write the answer. Vaibhav took more time than Michael by 1/6 hours. So this is the answer of this question. In this way we have completed each and every question of this exercise. Now the information is one more information is there for you, that today is Friday and tomorrow will be Saturday, and day after tomorrow there will be Sunday. So according to the guidelines of Supreme Court as well as CBSE, there will be no online classes on Saturday and Sunday, because we can conduct only 5 days per week. Additional thing is there, on Monday we are having the festival, that is Raksha Bandhan. So that's why on Monday also it is not possible to conduct the online classes. So we will be there with the next video on Tuesday. Till then what you have to do, we have already completed chapter number 1. So you are supposed to again practice the questions given in chapter number 1 in all the exercises. At the same time you are supposed to solve again the questions of exercise 2.1. You are supposed to practice as much as you can during this time. You are supposed to utilize the time which we are getting due to that COVID-19 and the lockdown time. So you are not supposed to waste a second of the time you are getting right now. Thank you very much.